Hi, I'm Charlie Whittington, the founder of JeterMatch.com. We've matched thousands of couples, and we can do the same for you. What makes us different, you ask? We are the dating service of Derek Jeter's ex-girlfriends, and when you get a Derek Jeter cast off, you know you're getting the most beautiful, intelligent, and near-perfect girl around. You've just gone on a great date with Derek Jeter. He was charming and an absolute gentleman. Of course he was. He's Derek Jeter. The next day, you receive a bouquet of flowers and a thank you note. That means two things. He's a classy guy, and you're not going to be seeing him again. That's why every Derek Jeter thank you note comes with a Jeter Match personal identification number to get you into our system and on the rebound in a hurry. This baseball great has 3,000 hits, but he also has 3,000 ex-girlfriends, and they are looking for a stable relationship with a normal guy to help them get over the heartbreak of losing Derek Jeter. That normal guy can be you.
But how could I ever get a girl who dated Derek Jeter? I'm just a computer programmer.
You're also not very attractive, unlike Derek Jeter, and that's the beauty of JeterMatch.com. These girls are emotionally vulnerable and ready to lower their standards for you.
I had a great date with Derek Jeter. We went to a fantastic restaurant and a Broadway show. Every day for 3 months, I'd pray he'd call. And that's when I knew I was ready for Jeter Match. Now I'm with Dennis, and he's okay.
For years, JeterMatch.com has been matching Derek Jeter's ex-girlfriends with incredible success. So sign up at JeterMatch.com today, and you'll get this free mask to make your first Jeter Match date go a little easier.
Thanks, Jeter Match.
JeterMatch.com. He may be a shortstop, but you can still have his seconds.